In this episode of Akram's Ideas, I eat chocolate. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome. I'm Akram Tagavi Burith, and you're watching Akram's Ideas, bringing creative and crazy ideas to life. With Valentine's right around the corner, you're likely to get a box of chocolate. And what is more classic of a chocolate than the chocolate-covered cherry? And I thought, what if it could be more than just a chocolate? What if it could be a pie? So in this episode of Akram's Ideas, I have a quickie bake recipe for a chocolate-covered cherry pie. So with that said, let's get started. For our chocolate-covered cherry pie, you are going to need 2 packages of instant chocolate pudding, 2 cups of milk, 1 chocolate cookie crust, 2 cups of cherry pie filling, and 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. You're going to start by combining your 2 packages of instant pudding mixture into a large mixing bowl. Then you're going to mix them with the 2 cups of milk. Next, you're going to scoop out approximately 1.5 cups of the pudding mixture and place it at the bottom of your pie crust. Next, you're going to add a layer of the cherry pie filling on top here. To the remaining pudding mixture, you're going to fold in your 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. Finally, you're going to top your chocolate-covered cherry pie with the remaining Cool Whip and pudding mixture. You're now going to refrigerate your pie for 3 hours before serving. And here is our completely chilled chocolate-covered cherry pie. All that's left to do is to have a slice of it. The deep chocolate bottom layer along with the creamier top chocolate layer, and then the center layer of those cherries. It is amazing. I don't know about you guys, but if I had to choose between a box of chocolate and this pie, I'm gonna go for the pie. It really is the great rendition of a chocolate-covered cherry in the form of a pie. If you try your hand at this recipe, I'd love to hear in the comments below how yours turned out. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Akram's Ideas, and if you did, be sure to give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow Akram's Ideas on social media and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!